So the other part to the next thing that we wanted to kind of review was schedules. So schedules, if you're familiar with tasks in the system, scheduling just automates the creation of those tasks. So if there was an ice machine cleaning that you wanted to have done every 90 days, we can do that. If there's a walkthrough or an inspection that happens every year, you can do that as well. All you have to do those things is just create a schedule, whether it's across all of your company or just one location. We can put in a very, very simple description. Let's say it's a quarterly exterior lighting check. And maybe this is happening more often than this, but we'll just do this. What you want to do, walk the exterior and see if all lights are on and timers are working. So when I do this, I want to say that I want to start it right in March. I'm going to leave the end date. I want it done any day of the week, and I want it done every 1 quarter. And what that's going to do is going to then automate that. Actually, I'm going to put this ahead to May. And you can actually specify which time you want it to be done at. This schedule from is kind of neat because it can either create that task from on a regular quarterly basis, or it can wait until that task is completed to be created. So like the oil change in your car, if you're wanting to, you don't want to do it 3 months after, or sorry, a week after you just completed it, it will wait and it will stagger those tasks. And so if we just then complete that, then we can apply it to all of our restaurants simply just by clicking add all. And now the default person for that will be assigned that task on these dates. And then as they're completed, these dates will start to stagger so that we make sure that we're doing that on a regular basis. So very, very simple. And the nice thing with that is that the tasks will actually appear in the task list like you're seeing here, like everyone's used to for those regular tasks. There's really no difference. They will just show up here and be emailed in the same manner. So that's scheduled. That's the schedule, how you schedule them and how they would appear. And then, of course, we would have reporting on which restaurants have or have not completed those tasks, and an easy way for you to be able to go in and follow up. Hillary's just thrown up a link there in the chat for if you guys want to click on that and take a look at how you would set that up. And again, the other thing with support, if you do have a question, you can always go into contact, jump into contact. You can fill in any of your information. And if any of you have reached out to us, you guys know that we like to be super responsive to your requests.